New E88Pro RC Drone 4K Professinal with 1080p wide-angle HD camera. Foldable RC helicopter. Wi-Fi FPV height. Hold gift toy. Warning/disclaimer. Warning: for recreation use only. Illegal modification of drones/planes is prohibited. Please also pay attention to the relevant laws and regulations on the use of drones/planes in your country/area to ensure legal use. Product description. Item NO, E88 Pro. Frequency, 2.4 G. Channel, 4CH. Motor, 816 cordless motor. Quadcopter battery, 3.7 V 1800 mAh LiPo, included. Transmitter battery, 3x 1.5 AA battery, not included. Flying time, 10 minutes. Charging time, 100 minutes. R/C distance, 100 m. Color, black-white. Camera, 1080p/4K, optional. Quad size, 25 by 20 by 5.5 cm, the arms not folded. 12.5 by 8 by 5.5 cm, the arms folded. Features. With foldable arms, small size, easy to carry. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. With Wi-Fi function can be connected app, APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. There have two cameras can be choose. With 1080p or 4K wide-angle camera give wide high-definition pictures and video. With headless mode, no need to adjust the position of aircraft before flying. With one key to return function makes it easily to find the way home. Trajectory flight. Draw a flyway on the screen, and the drone would conduct an autonomous flight along the designated way. 2.4 GHz technology adopted for anti-interference. For channel which can do ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward fly, right sideward fly and rolling 360 degrees. 6A size gyro which can have more stable flying and be easy to control. It have 3-level flight speed to switch that can make more fun with the flying. The quadcopter fuselage is made of high strength and resistant engineering plastics, lightweight and durable resistance. Functions. Up/down, forward/backward, turn left/right, sideward flight, 3-level flight speed, LED light, headless mode, 1-key automatic return, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV, trajectory flight, camera/video. Package included: 1X E88 RC quadcopter, 1X transmitter, 1X 3.7 V 1800 mAh LiPo battery, can be choose the battery quantity when order. 1X USB charging cable, 4X spare blades. For specifications, order, and other information please follow the description and click the link. Thanks for watching.